Welcome to Is My Crypto Wallet Safe? Usage Experience. Links to my crypto wallet are available in the description below. MyCrypto is a secure, non-custodial cryptocurrency wallet that gives users full control over their private keys and assets. Unlike centralized wallets, MyCrypto does not store your keys or personal information, ensuring that only you have access to your funds. This makes it a popular choice for those who value security and decentralization in managing their cryptocurrencies. MyCrypto is built primarily for Ethereum and ERC20 tokens, which makes it an excellent choice for users in the Ethereum ecosystem. It allows users to store, send, and receive Ether, ETH, and a wide variety of ERC20 tokens directly from their wallet. The wallet also supports integration with hardware wallets like Ledger and Trezor, which adds an extra layer of security by keeping private keys offline. One of the notable features of MyCrypto is its ease of use. The user interface is clean and straightforward, making it accessible to both beginners and experienced users. It offers advanced features, such as gas fee management and the ability to interact with smart contracts, which makes it ideal for more advanced users who want to do more than just store their coins. Security is a primary concern for any crypto wallet, and MyCrypto takes this seriously. It provides users with robust encryption and the ability to create strong, unique passwords. Additionally, MyCrypto allows you to back up your wallet using a secure recovery phrase, which ensures you can recover your funds if you lose access to your device. It's important to store this recovery phrase securely and not share it with anyone. In conclusion, MyCrypto wallet offers a secure, user-friendly experience for anyone dealing with Ethereum-based assets. Whether you're a beginner looking for a simple wallet or an advanced user in need of more functionality, MyCrypto provides everything you need while keeping your funds safe. For more information or to get started, check out the links in the description below.